Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can add WhatsApp contacts. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to this page where all of your recent chats will be displayed. Now, tap on the plus icon at top right corner of your screen, but on Android, access your contacts list inside WhatsApp. Here, tap on the Add New Contact button at the top of the list and you will be prompted to enter the complete name and number of that new contact. Once done, tap on the Save Embed at top right corner of your screen and you are done. So that's basically how you can add WhatsApp contacts. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.